This morning on Take It Off Today, fit families. If your kids are starting to look like a bunch of couch potatoes, they are not alone. Nearly 1 in 5 American children overweight. It is a growing epidemic that has many health professionals concerned about the long-term health implications. So today, nutritionist Joy Bauer is here with some creative tips to help your family get fit and stay fit. Joy, good morning to you.
Meredith.
We all know childhood obesity, a huge problem in this country, no pun intended there, obviously, but it starts at home. It's really about the kind of upbringing for the kids and what you teach them about healthy living.
Parents play a tremendous role, and numerous studies show that kids eat more nutritious foods and are more physically active when the parents are on board. So I put together a 4-step program to help your family become a fit family. And the first one is recruit the entire family. Yeah, it's got to be a team effort.
So how do you do that?
Well, the first thing is get everybody on board, and it's important to have one consistent message throughout. Even if you have an overweight child and a thin child as skinny as a string bean, you want one main message. It will benefit everybody physically and mentally. Next, you want to educate kids. Education goes a long way, and we've got a few neat tools created by moms. This is called the Fantastic Food Tracker, divided into various food groups. It's magnetic, and your kids track what they eat after they learn the 5 food groups.
They just put one of these things on, whatever it is?
Right, and they give themselves a pat on the back if they have loads of veggies and fruits, and, you know, they sort of look for ways to improve if they need improvement.
Okay.
This is from Neat Solutions Catalog. It's an exercise weekly tracker. Again, it lets them track their progress in terms of activity. And this is a great visual tool. It's called balance bands. The idea is you start with 5 colorful bands on one hand, and as you eat a fruit and vegetable, you transfer them over to the left hand.
Oh, so you keep tabs that way. Otherwise, you would forget.
Keep tabs, exactly. And there's like groovier, hipper bands for the older kids as well.
I don't know if the older kids would wear it. At what point? I mean, a teenager.
I'm not quite sure. Yeah.
All right. But it's a good idea because it's a visual cue, and kids need that.
Especially for the younger kids.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
It's fun. And then what's step number 2? Once you've done that, you've educated, you've got your plan.
This is actually step number 3. You want to engage your kids in the kitchen, and health professionals preach over and over.